Hi everyone, so this is my very chill, very wholesome summer morning routine. Usually when I'm not in a hurry, I like to take the time to really spend time in my house, in my own body, and this is how I do it. So first of all, I wake up, I try my best to practice mindfulness, I make my bed, I get my hair out of my face, and then pretty much immediately I just go and wash up. You don't need to see what I do in the bathroom, but I come out pretty much very fresh. And the moment I come out of that shower, I jump straight into my skincare routine. I like to keep my hands clean, I like to pat it in, I like to really just indulge, try new products. And then I comb out my lashes, keep them all neat, put on some lip balm, and then just start going in with concealer. Usually when I'm just home, I'm meeting friends and I'm not really shooting or filming or doing anything crazy, I just keep to a very, very basic sort of 5 to 10 minute makeup routine. So I just put on a little bit of concealer, maybe fill in my brows a bit. Very simple, very natural sort of makeup. And then before we do lips, I need to wear my clothes because too many accidents have happened. So I'm gonna change out of my very comfy white bralette. I don't know why, actually I could have just kept it. But I think I want something a little bit strapless because I have a lot of strappy clothes. So this is from 68, it's their bandeau in teal and I love it. This top is actually also from 68, but I like to stick to one thing. So for me, it's these pair of pants. I love white jeans. I never really got into white jeans, but recently I've been really into them because these are really comfortable. There's an elastic band at the back. So you know me with the drill. I go through a couple of tops, I look at what I like, I take them off, I try again. I change into what I think is a more suitable or comfortable bralette. That's just me. And then I finally settle on this navy top because it's super comfortable and it's just very cute. So I quickly do my hair. I love this half updo, it's just my usual. And then I put on some jewellery. This one matches because it's blue and grey. This is a vintage pair. And I apply my lip. And then I just do one final check with the mirror, check that everything looks good, fluff up my hair, smile, be like, yeah, you're gonna have a great day. And then when I do have the luxury of time, I love making my own breakfast. I start off by making hot tea. This one's really simple. It's just in a sachet. It's fruit tea. And today I'm making pancakes with soy milk, so I just very quickly mix the both of them. If you want this recipe, just Google fluffy pancakes and click on the first one. It should be from all recipes. It's really simple. And I just sort of eyeball everything at this point because I've made it so often. And then I drizzle some maple syrup, put on some butter, and I switch everything around. This is the thing I was talking about because this island is just so convenient. I can just watch shows, check in with my subscription box in the morning, have some pancakes, have some tea, take a look at my bujo, see what I need to do for the day, and I just have a nice time before I get to work. And that's it. That's my chill morning routine. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to 68 for partnering with me on this video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!